Hello, welcome to Simi's Kitchen Diaries. I am Simi Anwar. It's Onam time, guys. Onam is a festival celebrated by one and all in Kerala. It is in honor of King Mahabali that Onam is celebrated. It's a long mythological story. You can find it in my blog. Sadhya, or the main lunch, is the star attraction of Onam, and avial is considered to be one of the main dishes of Sadhya. So today I am preparing avial for you. It's an amalgamation of varieties of veggies cut into finger strips and cooked in a dressing. For this you need yellow cucumber or Indian cucumber, yam, drumsticks, ash gourd, raw mangoes, raw plantain, potato, snake gourd and carrots. For the dressing you need shallots, garlic, curry leaves, green chilies, grated coconut and cumin seeds. Cut all the veggies in finger strips. Wash and drain. Add all the veggies into an earthen pot. Add enough water to cook the vegetables. Now add turmeric powder. Mix well and we will cook this until half done, mixing occasionally. All these vegetables are considered to be very healthy, and we are just giving a light dressing for this so that the taste of the vegetables are retained. We will now close the lid and allow the vegetables to cook. Add the desired salt now and give a thorough mix, and we'll put on the lid again until it's well done. Preparing sadhya is considered to be a tedious task. It's not the cooking part which is difficult, but the preparation part. There are varieties of curries, like around 20-24 items will be there. You have to cut different, almost all varieties of vegetables in different shapes and size. One common thing which I found is that most of the dressings or the spices or condiments used for this are almost similar, so that part is not so difficult. The vegetables are cooked well now. Now we'll add the yogurt. Combine the vegetables and yogurt well. We will allow it to simmer until 90% of the extra water content is dried up. While the vegetables and the yogurt mixture is getting to boil, we will prepare the coconut flavoring for the avial. That is, coarsely grind all the ingredients under the dressing items. You don't have to make it a paste. Give 1 or 2 pulses and your dressing will be ready. The water has almost dried up. We will add the coconut mixture now. Give a thorough stir. Let it simmer for 5 minutes. We'll adjust the salt now. Finally, we'll add some fresh curry leaves and some virgin coconut oil, or the coconut oil, anything which you use. Switch off the flame and keep the lid closed for some time. Avial is ready to serve now. Serve hot with steamed rice. Happy cooking! Do get back to me with your comments and feedback. Give a thumbs up if you like this and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye and take care.